The stripes are the loudest thing she has. He is busy. If she stops scrubbing now, she has to go tell him. She has until he sets it down.